Hi, we are going to taste candy kittens today. I'm very excited.
Today we are doing candy kittens. Let's go. I've not heard of candy kittens, to be honest. I'm really quite excited to see what it's all about. I'm assuming it's candy. Probably kitten shaped. Let's see.
Tropical mango, gourmet sweets, London, candy kittens. Wow, this is nice packaging. There's a kitten on the front. You can see this is clearly not from us.
Candy kittens, tropical mango gourmet sweets, London. Oh my. Vegan recipe. So gluten free, natural colors and flavors, made with fruit juice.
Oh, I don't know how this smells. This smells like washing powder. And then it gets like a hint of like milky, like milk bottles.
Hashtag the sweet way. Right, let's have a go. This is the cover. This is what it looks like. Nice little sturdy tear open baggie. Right, so I was correct. It's candy and it's kitten shaped. This one is tropical mango. Right. Straight into your mouth.
It tastes like that choop choops, that cheap sweets.
Without biting, you get the flavor of this nice strong flavor. It's a nice strong flavor. It's the right amount of chewy, and biting into it, you get a nice flavor burst.
That cheap brown sweets, I can't remember what the name is. It starts with a G, but I call it choop choops. It tastes like that. It's vegan friendly.
I definitely get the tropical hint of it, but no mango for me.
Blueberry Bliss. It's blueberry Bliss. Oh, the packaging you can see. Oh,
Blueberry Bliss, right? Off the cuff, this is gonna be my favorite one. Anything blueberry, anything berries, it's my favorite. So let's have a go.
I can't explain the smell, but it doesn't smell like sweets. I'm gonna be rude. It smells like when a dog is wet, like a damp dog.
Those one.
It tastes like that fruit sticks. Then it's straight, it's long, comes in different flavors. It tastes like the purple one. Exactly like that fruit stick.
Same chewy texture. You chew enough. For the same chewiness, which I like, is not more. It's just enough for you to enjoy the chewiness and doesn't make your jaw sore. This one has got the slight hint of sourness of a blueberry, and that just tells me this is a genuine, proper product in terms of blueberry taste. It definitely is a Bliss, and right now this is my favorite as it stands.
Just a whole lot less sugar, and the taste comes afterwards, and it's very, very light. It's not like a boom taste. You can taste it's vegan.
Sour watermelon. I think I might have shot myself in the foot by saying that the blueberry is my favorite without knowing about this, but let's see.
Sour watermelon. Oh, I hope the sour watermelon tastes nice. It doesn't really have a smell, which is weird because it's sweet. It smells like plants. It smells like aloe plants, that fat plants, fat planter they call it.
Alright. Now, still nice and chewy, which I like, but not sour, not watermelon.
Doesn't taste like watermelon, and it's not sour. It tastes like the cheap sweets.
This has completely underperformed on my expectation of when I read sour watermelon. I had this image in my mind of the watermelon slices, which was awesome, and I thought this was going to compete with that.
In the olden days it was like 10 cents, I think. I don't know what it's called. But this really doesn't taste like it looks. It looks very nice, but very disappointing.
But no. This is probably a good piece of candy, but it just disappointed on the sour watermelon flavor on my part.
Wild strawberry. As you can see, you must open it on top because there's a zip lock. Almost destroyed it, but I didn't.
Strawberry. I do admire the consistency of the cats, or the cat shapes. I really have to give them props. I've gone through 4 packets now, and the shape has been mostly the same, so that is a big kudos to Candy Kittens.
So now it's not opening, guys. That smells like strawberry milkshake, like the Woolworth strawberry milkshake that I tasted the other day. It smells like that. It actually smells very nice, this one.
This is a strong number 2 in my books.
Wild strawberries. Does not taste like the smell. Does also taste like a cheap sweet. It tastes the same like the first one. Mango. Tastes like tropical mango. Like they all have the same taste, a similar taste. I won't buy it.
It's got a lovely strawberry milkshake kind of taste to it. So you've got the strawberry and a little bit of that slight sourness that comes with the strawberry milkshake. I like this one, but strong number 2. This does not beat the blueberry bliss at all.
If I should really have to buy one, I would go for the wild strawberry one. This one is the best out of them all.